Hello everyone. Today is March 6th. This hunting season is over. So I'm going to show the ATN rifle scope that the button functions are moving opposite direction. And I told ATN people that the scope is moving opposite direction on the button adjustment. The up button by the power button, that's the up button, and the one below that is the down button, and the left button on the left, the right button on the right. Now here we can see the X and Y axis. So when I press the up button by the power button, the y-axis should be decreasing negative, okay? When I press the up button by the power button, the y-axis should be decreasing negative. That means to move up, okay? And the down button should be increasing negative y. But it's doing opposite. When I press, I'm going to press the up button here and look closely at the y-axis. I'm going to press the up button, okay? And look at the y-axis. Right now it's 11.37. So if I press the up button, is it 11 or 13? Looks like 13. 13 point something. So if I press on the up button, it increases the y negative, which it should be decreasing y negative on the up button. So I'm pressing the up button right now. You see that? The negative y increase, which the up button should decrease the y negative. Okay? Right now it's like 15. So if I press again the up button, it will be that's 17, okay? The up button by the power button should be decreasing the y negative. It should be moving up. But since it's increasing, that means to move down. So the up button is to move down. You can see that it's 19 now, 19 point something. And that's 20. That's 21. It jumps. And one problem is that the ATN scope, it jumps the number. It should be one click, should be one click. But one click is like 2 clicks, okay? Now we can see like 21 point something. If I click one, if I do one click, it will jumps 2 clicks. Right now it's 21. See, that's 23. So how can we zeroing when it jumps 2 clicks on one click? So we press one click, it jumps 2 clicks. How can we accurately zeroing ATN scope? You will never get zero using this button adjustment. So the up button by the power button increases y negative. So now I'm going to press on the down button, the y down button. It will now decrease the number, okay? See that? It's going down. So the down button decrease the number. So the down number should be increasing. The down button should be moving down, but when you press the down button, it's moving up. Decreasing y negative, that means your reticle is moving up, okay? So again, the down button is to move up and the up button is to move down, okay? And that's not how it works. ATN claims the up button should move up and the down button should move down, but this is not how it works. So if I press on the left button, it's increasing, okay? So that's right. I press on the left button, it's increasing negative, so that's correct. But when you shoot, that's not what That's not what it does. If you click on the left button, when you shoot, your target hitting on the right. Okay? And we're now at 42 point something. And I click on the right button, it decrease. So that is correct. Okay? You click on the right button, it should be decreasing the negative, the X negative. So that's correct. That means to move to the right. But when you use the button move to the right and you shoot, your target hitting on the left of your target. So this is not correct. Again, right now the y-axis is at 13. I'm pressing the up button right now. The up button is increasing negative, increasing y negative. See that? Right now we're at 15. We can go to 17. We can go to 19. We can go to 21. We can go to 23. If one click jumps two click, how can we accurately zeroing? This is terrible. This is not good. Okay, so we have a problem with ATN scope. So now I'm going to reset the software here to original, to the factory setting, okay? And then I will record again. Red is restore to factory setting. That is restore to factory setting, okay? We're gonna press on that. Okay, and then now it says restore default factory setting. Yes. Okay, I'm going to click yes, and then now the software restore the factory setting. Okay, now we got it back up to the menu. Okay, now we'll try to check the adjustment again. Okay, now we add x-axis at 0, y-axis at 0. Okay, and I'm going to move up. I'm going to press the button up. Okay, I press the button up. It moves negative 7.88. Look, we're at 0, 0. We're at 0 y-axis and x at 0. We're at the center. But I just click one click on the up button. It jumps 7 clicks, 7.8 clicks. Okay, and that's increasing negative. You see that? It's increasing negative. So I click the down button. Now it comes back, the down button comes back to 0, 0y and 0x. Okay, so if I click again on the down button, now I go to positive. The down button increased. The down button is increased positive. So the down button is to go up, and the up button is to move down. Okay, I click again on the down button. It moves up to 15.75 now. The down button is to move up. Okay, after I restore, after I reset to default setting by the company, I hit again the down button. It goes to 20 something. Okay, 23.62 right now. So ATN scope is not functioning correctly. The down button should be moving down the y-axis. I mean, the y-axis. And the up button should be moving up the y-axis. But ATN scope, the up button is to move down, and the down button is to move up. Okay? And I'm going to click on the y-axis on the left button. And it's yes, it's negative 7.88. Okay, it's moving the right direction. The left button is increasing negative. Okay, now we're at 7.88. One more click. Now we are at 15.75. So one click, it jumps double the digits. Okay, let's come back to 0. Okay, 2 clicks, we come back to 0. 0 y-axis. Now, 1 click on the left, it jumps 7.88, negative 7.88. Okay, 1 more click, it jumps to 15.75. Now, if 1 click jumps 7 times, how can we accurately zeroing? If our target is hitting very close to the ball eyes, and 1 click it jumps 7 times, how can we accurately just move a little bit so we can hit the ball eye? This cannot be. You cannot zero with this ATN scope, because 1 click it jumps 7 times. Okay, you 1 click, you jump 7 clicks, so way off the ball eye. You can never zero at the ball eyes. So ATN scope, we have a problem. Okay, you need to do something about it. This is a serious problem with ATN scope. I hope ATN will correct it. It is not just me. I do have another person, another friend that I know. He purchased ATN scope too, and he said the same thing. You can never get it zero right. It moves opposite direction. And like I said, if 1 clicks move 7 times, 1 click moves 7 clicks, how can we get the reticle at the ball eye? We cannot. You will never get it zero at the ball eye. But the one shot does work. The one shot does work, but not accurately, because 1 click it jumps multiple times. So you can never get it. You can never get your reticle at the one shot zeroing. ATN, you need to do something about it. Thank you for watching.